Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Character.ai app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Now it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. Then you click on apps. So then you come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Character.ai app, or just click on search here. Then here at Character.ai, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Character.ai. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.